Today, I am reviewing the TCL S55H S Class 2.1 channel soundbar. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X. These two technologies bring spatial audio to your living room. Sound not just from the front, but also from above and behind you. Explosions feel like they're surrounding you. Raindrops sound like they're falling overhead. It's not just louder, it's more dimensional, more immersive, and frankly, more exciting. Now, a huge win here is the wireless subwoofer. With its 5.5-inch driver and bass boost technology, you're going to feel every punch, explosion, and beat. This isn't just sound you hear, it's sound you feel. And because it's wireless, placement is a breeze. Put it in the corner of the room, beside your couch, or tuck it behind a cabinet. As long as it's within range, you'll get deep, resonant bass with zero cable clutter. Streaming music is also easy and seamless, thanks to Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, pairing takes just seconds. Play your favorite playlists, stream a podcast, or listen to a relaxing ambient mix, all wirelessly, with excellent clarity and punchy bass. One of the most underrated features of the TCL S55H is AI Sonic Auto Room Calibration. What does that mean? It uses smart technology to actually analyze your room's layout and adjust the audio output accordingly. Whether you have a small bedroom or an open-concept living space, the system tailors the soundstage to your environment. The result? Clearer dialogue, more precise imaging, and balanced audio no matter where you're sitting. As for connectivity, TCL has made it incredibly user-friendly. With HDMI eARC, you can connect the soundbar to your TV using just a single HDMI cable. That means less mess and one central control. You'll also find digital optical audio input, which is great for older TVs that don't support HDMI ARC. Plus, USB audio playback lets you plug in a flash drive and play music directly. Perfect for offline listening or party mixes. Now let's talk about everyday performance. Watching a movie on Netflix? The dialogue is crisp, the explosions are thunderous, and the ambient sounds truly surround you. Binge watching your favorite drama series? The center channel reproduction ensures conversations are clear and never drowned out. Playing games? The action feels real and immediate. You're not just hearing it, you're inside it. The overall volume capacity is more than enough for most home setups. Even at mid-level volume, the soundbar delivers powerful output without distortion. And because of the 2.1 setup with a dedicated subwoofer, you get separation that you just won't find with your regular TV speakers. In terms of design, the TCL S55H is sleek, low profile, and blends into virtually any home theater setup. It doesn't call too much attention to itself, but when you turn it on, the sound speaks for itself. So who is this for? If you're someone who wants cinema quality sound at home, but doesn't want the mess of surround speakers and miles of wiring, the TCL S55H S Class soundbar is the perfect choice. It's also ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, bedrooms, or minimalist setups where simplicity and performance are key. To sum it up, with Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X Bluetooth music streaming, a powerful wireless subwoofer, and auto room calibration, the TCL S55H delivers a rich, immersive audio experience at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, this soundbar is built to impress.